Welcome back, MCL here, June 10th, 2020. It's a Wednesday. So the futures are up slightly. Dow is up 35 points, S&P's up 8.25, Nasdaq's up 76 points. It's about 8:39 a.m. in the morning. So we have about 50 minutes to the market open. The whole night, I was up a little bit too much last night, meaning the evening, the market was pushing higher, then it started turning negative. Then this morning was negative when I woke up at about 7, and then it turned positive by the time it was 8. So the market might fluctuate as even when the market opens. I wouldn't be surprised if right now, for example, the Nasdaq's up 0.76%. So that's pretty significant. The Nasdaq might hold its gains today. The S&P's up 0.25%, and the Dow's up about 0.11% as of now. So I wouldn't be surprised if the Dow might have a lot of fluctuations. Maybe the S&P, the Nasdaq might fluctuate and stay higher. We don't really know. We know that when the Fed talks and when there's job reports, those two things, the Friday monthly job report and the Fed when they speak, that moves markets a lot. But I don't really care the reason. I don't care exactly what they say or don't say. I know the market has more to run, but I could imagine that today might be a volatile day. The volatility, speaking about it, has been up 2 days in a row. So today it might be up, but I think it might actually close lower. If it doesn't close lower today, I would expect it to go down tomorrow after being up 3 days, if it's up today, the third day. So either way, volatility is most probably going to peak out today or maybe tomorrow. So I'm shorting the VXX. VXX usually goes down when the market goes up. I had a couple of days to add to my position because it's been up 2 days. The market has not been down as much. The market has not been down as much as the VXX has been up, but that doesn't matter to me. Things are always changing. Investors and institutions are always changing where they're investing. So right now, the VIX products are a little bit underused. Sooner or later, they might be overused. Meaning right now it's a little less exciting, but it might get exciting even as we're talking today, tomorrow, next week. So I'm waiting for VXX to go down eventually to 26. That's my target price for the time being. It's really going to go to 0 over time. But right now it's at 31. So we have about 15% or so, maybe more, about 15% till it hits 26. And that's it. Until that point, I believe the market will be resilient. It might fluctuate today. It might have a weird close. It might have a weird open tomorrow. Doesn't matter to me. The market's going to keep on chugging higher, or at least not pulling back significantly until the VXX hits 26. And even then will be interesting to see what it does and how it does it. The market's been up either 10 weeks if you calculate from March 23rd's lows, or I like to also calculate, that's 11 weeks from March 23rd lows, or from April 5th or 6th. It was a Monday when the market went up about 1,700 points. There's a huge rally that we never looked back after that. From that, it's 10 weeks. My humble opinion is that usually, observing the markets for about 12 years, we usually need about 12 weeks of a bull market to eventually have a decent pullback. Right now, we're in the 10th or 11th week. So therefore, for many other reasons, I'm pretty confident that today or this week is still not the week the market's going to really pull back. Next week will be the 12th week, if you count from March 23rd, or 11th week if you count from April 5th or 6th. In any event, we're going to get closer and closer. VXX 26 is a great indicator. It's most probably going to bottom in that area at about the 12th week, give or take. It could be the 13th week. It could be the 11th week, which could be really 12th, depends how you calculate it. In any event, stay long, hold. I wouldn't chase this market, especially today, because the Fed could shake things up. But at the same time, I wouldn't sell it. If it goes down 2% or 1.5%, I would add more to whatever position you have. I like to long the TQQs, UPROs, or triple NASDAQs, triple S&Ps, or anything else that goes with the market, because to me the market is the clearest indicator of it all. And I don't like so much individual stocks, each to their own. My method has been working for me, so I do that. Indicators, oil's down 1.62%, 10-year treasury's down 0.025. So 10-year's been really pulling back from its huge run from the 60s to the 90s, 0.60s, 0.90s. But it's still within the bull run of the 10-year treasury that it started a few weeks ago. Copper's up almost over 1.5%, which is positive for the market. It's bullish for the market, and the VIX is down slightly, which is bullish for the market as well. So we have a mixed indicators again, and I won't be surprised. I'm not surprised if the market will fluctuate a little bit today, be a little bit crazy, but stay long, hold, and expect good things, and let's wait for our target price to materialize before we make big moves. Have a great day.